Hello guys, today's session we are going to discuss about the DML statement, insert, update and delete. Like in previous video, we have already discussed about the insert statement studies, right? So I have already shown you guys the three way of inserting values in SQL. Like in first you can write insert into table name and values. Second one, if you don't want to write insert into again and again, so in that scenario you can follow the second way. Third way, if you want to insert the specific record in a table, in that case you have to follow the third queries. So in third, what you does basically is simple, place that specific column which one you want to insert the values, right? So that will be completed. Let's run the select statement and check the table. So see, you make sure the database. So use command you have to run first. Now my database is visible. Select as from table. Now, second query we go for how to update the value in a table. How to update values in the table. What do you mean by update? If I want to update some specific record in my table, for example, I want to update employee salary, I want to update employee address or city in a specific record, so I can update here. Update means basically change. So we have tried update table name, employee details. We have to use set keyword. What do you want to set? Suppose I want to set employee name. So I will select employee name equals to, I want to write here employee name equals to like Amit, right? We have to specify which ID you want to update. So we have to use the where clause. Where clause always filter a specific record from that specific table. So where you have to mention here employee ID equals to suppose Aman. So place of Aman I want to update Amit. So I give an ID 1. So as you can see ID 1 who existing, Aman employee existing. Select and run this. So now you can see one row affected. So obviously I will check my value updated or not. So again run the select statement command, check it back. See Amit updated place of the Aman. So did you see in the first update query, I update only individual column, right? You can update multiple column as well. So again you can write another query for this. Update employee details table name set sorry, suppose I want to set employee name equals to like Neha comma separator and employee salary equals to, so I want to update Neha record place of Puja. So Neha salary I want to update like 25,000, right? So what is the Puja ID? Puja ID is 2, so I will mention here where employee ID equals to 2. So place of employee ID to Pooja, going to update name Pooja, place of Pooja Neha, place of salary column going to be updated like a 25,000. See, run this and select this and check it back. So as you can see, place of Pooja name Neha updated and salary also updated 25,000. Clear? So at the same time, you can update multiple value on the same ID, not different one. Okay. So this was update. Next one, we go for the delete. Why we are using delete? Okay, how to delete the records from table. If I want to delete a specific record from table, so I can use delete statement. So you have to write delete from table employee details, where you have to acknowledge which one you want to delete, which ID, where employee ID equals to, suppose I want to delete Deepak ID is 4, so I give it 4 here. So once I run this query, see one row affected, Again, I will check it back with the select statement, F5. So see, Deepak has been deleted from my table, right? If you want to delete all the record from table, so simply you have to write, say, if you want to delete all the records from table, so simply you have to write delete from table name. That's it. Employee details. Okay. So select and run this F5. The row affected, as you can see, check back. Now see, my all data has been deleted from my table. Only table structure renames, as you can see here. Clear? So did you see how to update the value and how to delete the value from table? And you also see how to delete individual record from the table using delete statement. And if you want to delete all the record from the table, so you can also delete all the record from the table using the delete statement. Okay. So once you want to delete all the record in that scenario, you don't need to use the where clause. Simply have to write delete from table name. That's it. Okay guys, thank you so much for this video. Then see you next session. Bye. Take care all of you.